Alright, so I need to make a Nissan proximity key, and here I have the Keytool MAX that I picked up because I was told that the original VVDI that I have will no longer function properly with the newer keys coming out and whatnot. Now these proximities are brand new inventory, just bought them, and you know, I've been trying to use this tool, the new key tool, and for whatever reason it always fails to write proximities. I've tried Nissans, I think I tried some Chrysler, maybe GM, I can't remember. I've tried a bunch of the proxies, and it doesn't write any. It constantly fails. So it goes through this one, and sometimes it will get almost through the next one, and then it just fails. I've inserted the key every which different way on the coil. It just doesn't work. It comes to this message every time. Now I go back to my original. This old as dirt. And I'm going to write the key, and you know, I don't generally ever have an issue with this old machine. And you know, it's sad. I bought this one. It's got tons of just stuff on it. You know, it's a lot to it, but I don't know if any of it's really needed. I mean, I have so many tools, and you know, it just makes the function of what I wanted the key tool to be for harder to use. So like when you first do it, you have to, you know, go through all their crap they give you. Now this is all their stuff. Now I did buy this thing. I haven't never used it yet, so maybe that will be fun to play with. But I don't have the Dolphin. Not really. You know, fan of their cutters and whatnot. But I suppose if you had all the tools, you know, it would be nice, because then you can, you know, use it to control all of them. But I don't know. For what I wanted, just like what the original one is, it's to write remotes and, you know, the proxies, reset the keys. And to tell you the truth, the original just does a much better job. I'm sad to give up support for it. Pretty slow writing today, but that's okay. So there we go. Burn success. Where the Keytool MAX failed. And you know, we can try it. This is a different one. Yeah, it's got batteries. We can try again. And it's the same thing. I've tried it a bunch. Maybe there's something wrong with my device. I'm not sure. But I can't get it to work. And it's updated. It's got the most recent update. So let me just pick anything. This one is different. So maybe, you know, if there's a different version prox remote that they have, maybe it will work with that one. I'm not real sure. I've only, you know, got this one style, and they're all new stock, but I did have some old stock that's, you know, was like a year old that I had found hiding in the bottom of my drawer. I tried those and still it didn't work with those either. There we go. So it keeps trying to write it, but it can't. It, you know, keeps failing to detect the key after a while. It's like it gets halfway and then it says, oh wait, no, keep going. So here it doesn't even read it. Let's try it from the bottom. As far as generating regular remotes, it's been working fine. You know, for reading chips and whatnot, it's been working fine. So I don't think it's an issue with the coil. But if you have one of these tools and you write proxies, definitely leave a comment and let me know how yours works for you. Maybe I have a defective unit. Maybe I can send it back and get them to fix it. Or if you have the same problem and learn how to fix it, let me know.